Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your Silver Monkey Arago. And the first one, that you have few options to how to connect your headphones. You can connect it by Bluetooth, but you can also use a dongle, and I recommend it to use it if you wanna connect it with PC. Next one, when you listen to music, you don't need to use your headphones. You can just use controls what we have in the headphones. So right here you can volume control. You have volume control here. You can increase or lower the volume. You can play next or previous track. If you play some games, you can also use this volume control button. And you can mute and mute the microphone, play and pause the song by pressing one time at the power button, and I guess it's a cool. The last one, if you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily make a factory reset. So just press and hold on this microphone button until this little light starts flashing blue, and then just reconnect it. So also I tested microphone on these headphones, and it's a really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly or normally, and also this microphone mutes street sound, so you can easily use it at the street. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.